Find an equation of variation in which y varies inversely as x and y equals 11 when x equals 2. Then find the value of y when x equals 100. Well, we know that an equation of inverse variation has the form y equals k over x, where k is the variation constant. And the variation constant is what we need to find to write this equation. And we'll use the information that y is equal to 11 when x is 2, substituting 11 for y and 2 for x. And now we can multiply both sides of this by 2 to solve for k. So we have 22 is equal to k. And if I substitute 22 for k in this equation, I have the equation of variation that we were looking for. Y equals 22 over x. Now we'll use this equation to find the value of y when x equals 100. So we're using the equation y equals 22 over x, and we'll substitute 100 for x. Y equals 22 over 100, and when I simplify 22 over 100, I get 11 over 50. So this tells us that when x is 100, y is 11 over 50.